topics. It really does not matter the THC content of your flower. And actually, the THC content refers to the amount of THC that is contained in the dry weight of your cannabis. So pretty much if you have 1 gram of cannabis at 25%, there's 250 milligrams of THC per gram of cannabis. Does that affect your overall effects? No. Really what people should be focusing on is what they call the entourage effect. And the entourage effect is where all of the cannabinoids interact and they are not isolated as one. So when you have THC, CBD, CBN, CBC, CBG, when you have all of these cannabinoids in one, then that is definitely going to overall give you the best effects that you are looking for. So when you were shopping in dispensaries and you're always looking for the highest percentage THC, most of the time you are really side shorting yourself as a consumer. And it's hard for budtenders to really break that stigma because we hear it so much. And then when we try to refer to other options that may be at 19%, but the limonene is at 5% and the myrcene is at 15% and the humulene is at 0.5% and the terpene profile makeup is a lot better, fresher product, overall enhanced activity of the mind, gives you a better overall experience, you fall short on that because it seems that you're only focused on the THC product and it's at 19%. So you're like, nah, it's not going to do the job. So definitely as a consumer, you should do your research when it comes to terpene profiles and listen to your budtenders. 9 times out of 10, we do try a lot of the products, so even the lower the THC percentages, so we do know, how it affects us, but it's not always going to affect you the same way that it affects us. As you have to know that medicine and our cannabinoid systems are different in every person. We all do have receptors, but they all are going to be on different levels. So, and I can go into that more in another episode. But in this one, I really want to focus on trying to break the mind frame of just referring to the THC product or percentage or product that is going to just break your pockets and it may not even give you the best effects. So just take that in mind, because when you are purchasing something, you want to make sure that you are getting your best ROI, which is your return on investment. You really, really want the best product. And hopefully it's not just all going to be in the high THC scope of practice. So to help not only yourself, but the budtenders, please be more open-minded to some of the suggestions that we may be giving you, and also do your research. You can also find things on your endocannabinoid system. Her name is Dr. Rachel Knox. There's also Ed Rosenberg. He talks about the endocannabinoid systems, and that will tell you, and the THC potencies, that they really fall short, especially when it comes to testing, because you can't use it like alcohol with the proofs. So keep that in mind. So on that episode of the Mo That You Know show, focus more on the entourage effect and less on the THC percentage. Y'all have a good one.